Carry all controlled substances and high-value items with you rather than placing them in general moving boxes. When preparing medications and valuables for a move, create a dedicated inventory that lists each prescription medication by name, dosage, prescribing physician and pharmacy contact, along with jewelry and electronics, including make, model, and serial numbers. Use lockable travel cases for pills and for jewelry. Small hard-sided lockboxes with combination locks are compact, airline-friendly, and reduce the chance of accidental loss. Keep hard copies of prescriptions and receipts in a separate folder you carry on your person, and take photos of pill bottles and labels so you can access them if copies are misplaced. Pack a small emergency kit with a few days of critical medications in their original labeled containers, and store it in your carry bag rather than checked luggage or donated boxes. When transporting controlled substances, follow legal limits for quantities, and if you have large volumes, consult your pharmacist or physician for a documented plan that you can present if questioned. For high-value items, consider using tamper-evident pouches and ensure any transport by a hired mover is limited to sealed containers you control until arrival at your new residence. Common mistakes include placing pills or controlled substances in general, moving boxes, which leads to misplacement or accidental disposal. So always carry them with you. Another issue is failing to document serial numbers and receipts, which makes insurance claims difficult. Solve this by photographing items and storing copies in cloud storage and on a physical sheet you keep on your person. A third problem is trusting unsecured pockets or soft bags for jewelry and cash, which are easy to lose. Use lockable travel cases or a small portable safe, and move these items in your personal vehicle rather than in a moving truck. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors, and we provide a discussion community where users share moving tips and vendor experiences. We list resources that make it easier for us to find movers and for contractors to find work while letting our community discuss best practices and local recommendations.